Imagine waking up to the sound of waves and endless ocean views just beyond your terrace. Welcome to Pacific View Retreat, a luxurious new home in the exclusive rolling hills estates of Cabo San Lucas. Perched high above the coastline, this 4-bedroom, 3-bath sanctuary sits on over half an acre, where infinity pool mornings blend into starry, tranquil nights. Step inside to discover sun-drenched spaces, a chef's kitchen, and high ceilings that let the breeze flow freely. Every finish, every detail, thoughtfully designed to calm and captivate. From whale watching on your private terrace to starlit dinners with ocean air, this is Cabo as you've never felt it before. Rolling Hills offers quiet, privacy, and paved elegance, just minutes from Cabo's vibrant town and marina. Listed at $1.325 million, this is more than a home. It's a lifestyle. Ready to feel what luxury really means? Ready to claim your place in paradise? Contact Ronival Real Estate today and schedule your private tour of Rolling Hills. Your dream home in Cabo is waiting.